Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today distributed cheques to 120 self-help groups and beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchayi Yojana at the State Convention Centre. While speaking on the occasion, Sangma urged the SHG members to utilize the seed money judiciously to ensure the successful implementation of the new watershed program. The Chief Minister, however, admitted that it has been a huge challenge for the government as far as management of the water resources. Minister of Soil and Water Conservation Marcus N. Marak was also present on the occasion.
Department is doing. Just to give you an example, doing their own projects, so on and so forth. At least water resource, management of water resource, because it's important in the long run, livelihood, so that people don't depend on the forest, and community and self-help groups. When we combine these three, so community and the self-help groups will be the organizational setup, and these two strategies will move forward. I'm sure that we will get the results that we want.
As part of the